Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this screen pulse effect onto your videos in CapCut PC. Select your video like so, and you're just going to type in screen pulse effect on the video effects section here. Just grab it and add it to your video. You can adjust the strength. I'm just going to make it really small as well as the size here. And I'm just going to make the speed slower here just so that it's not super weird. This one's just making it a little bit faster if you want it slower, and I'm just going to adjust the size a little bit so there's just a little bit of wave in your videos using the screen pulse effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!